This is for one person, not a family. One person. $88,000.
Damn, that's actually kind of scary. Now, if you go back and watch the whole video, he explains that the average American today is actually making a lot less than the average American during the Great Depression. And the fact of the matter is that one source of income just isn't enough these days. People are struggling to pay their bills every month, they're working long hours and missing out on time with their families just to survive. And when you live like this day in and day out, it gets frustrating and people start to feel hopeless. I understand how that feels because I used to be in that same situation. And nobody should spend more time at their job than they do with their families just to survive. And this is why I help people learn digital marketing skills so they can become their own boss and take their finances in their own hands. To get started, it's as simple as scheduling a call with me, and then I'll figure out what your goals are, and I'll give you a customized plan to help you reach your goals. Now, if you want to beat inflation, just comment "I'm in," and I'll give you the details on how to schedule a call with me. So if you want to become in control of your finances and spend more time with your family, make sure to schedule a call. Or you can keep on scrolling and continue to work a job that makes you miserable. That also takes a toll on your physical and mental health.